Hey guys, this is Paulo, and thank you for checking out my channel. Well, disaster struck. Yesterday I spent probably almost 3 hours with pauses recording 2 hours of video of me going through stages 1 through 5 or 6 of the Linux from Scratch handbook. So that includes partitioning the drives, creating a bunch of stuff, downloading all the files, and doing the first cross compile of GCC and Linux standard lib or C standard lib and some stuff. And I did it in a virtual machine using Garuda LXQt, and well, I don't know what happened, because when I logged in today to start up the process again, the stuff that I put on those virtual hard drives is just gone. The hard drives are empty, which does not make sense to me. Whatever I did to the hard drive should be fine. Anything I did to the ISO itself that was running that live environment, absolutely. Like, I'll have to reinstall Vim. No big deal. I don't know why the changes were not persisted on the hard drive. I must have done something. I was working on a script to auto mount the hard drives. Maybe I somehow did something to the hard drives. I'm not sure, but they're empty. So that's a big bummer. I went back and reviewed the video. Certainly I was putting stuff in the right place. I was doing it correctly, and I don't know what happened. So today after this, I will probably get back to recreating that initial setup. I'm going to switch to Garuda KDE because I didn't really like LXQt. I was using it in that original video just because I wanted to check it out. I've never really seen it before, but I'll just go back to KDE. I like KDE. It's very nice. We're not going to try and do that in i3 or Qtile. Even though this recording's all being done in LeftWM, we're not going to mess much with that. Anyways, I just wanted to give that update. It's a bit disappointing. Here we go again from the ground up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day.